Welcome to our first ever visit to Knightley's fun park here in North Wales. Now, funny enough, over the other side, you can see Tear Prince, and then you kind of walk down here, over this railway bridge, and here we are. So as you can see from here, it's not very big, but it is something we want to visit. It's not a place we've visited before, even though actually I don't think there's any particular new rides for us here. We can see Freak Out, we can see Waltzer, we can see Extreme, we can see Miami, we can see a Twister, we've got Dodgems, Funhouse. It is literally like a fun fair. Now, for those that are wondering why it's here, look at all the caravan sites go well into the distance, well over there, well over there. So there is a lot of tourists down here, which is why it's so popular. But we definitely want to get on the Freak Out. Oblivion is a fantastic freak out. And I think probably the Extreme as well. We are right at opening time, so we can take you through the park now. So we can see we've got Dodgems here. We've got the Extreme to the right of that. We've got the Extreme Miami. Behind the Waltzer, the Freak Out, Funhouse, and Sizzler in the middle here. It's quite a lot here. These are quite cool looking cars actually, aren't they? Got some lights on. Like I said, I don't particularly think there's any real new rides for us here unless we wanted to go and ride the coaster. Oblivion we've seen many times. I did wonder actually, I haven't seen it for a while. But we have seen Oblivion many times, so I didn't really wonder where that one was. And it's right here, and it's a great Freak Out ride. And the Extreme as well. So, we're going to take you on a few rides, have a bit of a laugh. Cody, unfortunately, not riding here, are you? He's not riding here today, so Kurt and I will be taking you on some few rides. We'll have to take turns, I'm afraid, and show you Knightley's fun park. Right, so we've bought our card. That's a bit of a mission. And as you can see here are the prices. So actually £2 a ride, $2.50 for the big ones isn't really that bad, to be honest with you. Can't really complain too much about that. If you buy more credits, if you buy £20 worth, you get 5 free, £40 you get 15 free, £50 you get 80 free, but that's a lot of credits to need, shall we say, which we don't need today. So we've bought slightly less than that. Particularly with the fact Cody can't ride. Now it does look like they used to do wristbands, however, not anymore. Not anymore. And of course the £1 you pay for this card, you get the £1 back, Kurt, when we take the card back. Yeah. Right, let's do some riding. Where are we starting? It's got to be this bad boy, isn't it? Me or you?
Yeah, I'll do the Freak Out.
There we go, heard it first, he's done the Freak Out. That leaves me on this Extreme. So we are, it's Extreme time. Look at this bad boy. I have to say the music's not very loud here, which is quite nice. I'm not bursting in my ears like some places. It's just at the right level for me. There's Kurt. Kurt's filming that. He's not paying any attention whatsoever. He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. Actually, to be fair, when we got here it wasn't very busy and I was a bit worried we wouldn't be able to get on and off ride footage, but it has picked up a bit now and it's got a little bit busier. So let's see what this Extreme's got. Love a good Extreme. Oh. extremes, which is the reason why I'm on this. You don't like them for some reason, I don't really know why. That's why he's going to do the freak out, and although I quite like the freak out, I won't take it away from him. I won't take it away from him, I'll do this as I like it. We've gone quite high here actually. Whee. Oh, it's got some power this one. Everyone else seems to have gone down except me. There we go. Ooh. Oh, it's quite nippy this. Oh, I think we've got another run in us. Here we go. Here we go. We've got another run in us. Oh, here we go. Oh my God, here we go. Jesus. Oh, the blood's rushing to my feet now. Alright, we've picked up massively. We've gone from subtle ride to absolute mental. Oh, yeah. Oh, the blood's gone to my feet. Oh, I can't feel my feet. There's tears running down my eyes. Oh yeah, this is a good extreme, this one. Oh, oh, that thing is quick. That thing is proper quick at that. Oh yes. So here is the Freak Out Oblivion. We've seen this down south, to be honest. I have a feeling we saw this in Clapham a few years ago. I've certainly seen it out and about. And it's really weird, look, because the controls are right there. I don't think I've seen that in a Freak Out before. Usually they have a booth out for it, but for here they keep it really simple and the controls have been popped right by the entrance gate. So we are right on the beach here, so these rides will certainly be feeling the force. I think Oblivion's a slightly older KMG Freak Out. I remember it used to ride really well. So Kurt is going to take you on this next. Looks like it's on a standard sort of cycle, expect a bit of a spin now. I've said, anyone who watched our Horsham vlog the other day will see that we were quite surprised that it was running on a different cycle. Most of these KMGs run on the same cycle. Tell you what, it's a really good long cycle actually as well. Right, cycling it off. I think we'll be all day. Let's take you on board. What do you think of Oblivion?
Yeah, it's really good, that.
Yeah, it's one you've been on before. Do you remember going on it before?
No.
Do you remember the names of them?
No.
I don't really, to be fair with you. I know which ones I've seen, particularly with the Freak Outs, but there's a lot of the rides like Twisters and Extremes I can't keep track of, to be honest. We travel all over the country, don't we, Kurt?
Yeah.
Some we've seen, some we haven't, but that's Oblivion. That's one I've seen many, many times. It's a lovely one. Got some beautiful LEDs on it as well, looking really, really cool. So the Extreme was really weird because it started off quite subtle. It started off more like an orbiter. They call it Extreme Orbiter, and it started off more like an orbiter. And then it came back down and I thought, actually, that was quite a good cycle. And then it went for second time, and second time, it was insane, absolutely insane. The tears started rolling from my eyes. Oh my God, yeah, it was really, really quick. So really, really impressed with the Extreme. I know Kurt's impressed with Oblivion, which is a good one. And then we're gonna do the famous Knightley's Waltzer will be the last attraction we're gonna go on today. As I said, sadly, Cody can't go on anything, which is why we haven't bought loads and loads of credits. We'd have to literally leave him by himself. So we are taking turns, Kurt and I, today to go on them. Here's Oblivion in full motion. Not too worried about the Extreme, to be honest, or indeed Dodgems. Funny enough, we're going to Tier Prince, which has got a brand new set of Dodgems, a brand new set from PWS, which was only delivered last week. So we're going to do Dodgems. That's what we're going to do it on. But off goes Oblivion. That's us done there. Now we're off to the Waltzer. Right, Kurt is on the Waltzer somewhere. It's very flat at the front. Doesn't look like he's got a spinner. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. He's trundling around, all right. He's trundling around. Right, let's have a little look around the side here. See if we can catch him coming round here. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? It does seem to spin quite a lot at the back, not so much at the front. It's a great looking Waltzer, a real classic one. Someone's just lost their glasses there. Good job I wasn't standing there then, that'd have been thrown at me. Oh, he's out and spinning. Oh yeah, he's going now, look. He's going now. Oh, okay, that wasn't a good face at all. Oh, bless him. There he goes, look. There he goes. I think he's just being fussy, to be honest with you. Oh, they're going some. It is an art. I tell you, spinning these is definitely an art. It's not something I'd want to do. I'm right next to it. It's the Miami ride. I think this is just called Extreme. Certainly by the signs it looks like it's just called Extreme. A nice looking Miami, over the shoulder restraint, but quite a nice looking one. It definitely looks more suitable for the younger ones, this one. That's the quicker side, look, they're all screaming now. Waltzer.
Oh, it's a good cycle.
Amazing cycle. It did seem to go on for like 5 or 6 minutes.
And had a spinner, so it was good.
Yeah. At the start I kind of looked at it and thought, oh, there's no spinner, Kurt's not going to be very happy with that. But he then come out and then gave him a spin, and it certainly looked like it was moving around. Yeah, it did, starting to keep going, which was really, really good. Right, down the back here next to the fun house, there's loads of juvenile rides, and they're all in one place, which is quite good as well. Little wheel, little swinging ship, a couple of merry-go-rounds, little jets. There's a little coaster down the back, which I believe is new for this year. That's just broken down. They've just reversed that back down. So I don't think we'll be going on that even if we want to be honest with you. As well as a go-kart track around the corner too. But that's all the big rides we're going to do done. Funnily enough, Oblivion's just shut. They're just climbing it at the moment. I think they're oiling it. So it's a good job we got on that when we got on it. Yeah, good job we got on that when we got on it. And of course, Sizzler, Waltzer Extreme. And yeah, the little rides. Yeah, really impressed down here in Knightley, to be honest with you. It's got more than I thought it would have here. I didn't think it had this many rides. That's been a good hour or so.
Yeah, they all have good cycles.
Yeah, they all have good cycles.
Don't wait around before sending them.
No, I think that's the best thing. Like, you sit down on the ride, they send it. They send it. They don't mess around. They don't wait for it to be full. They just send it. Yeah, so we haven't had to wait at all, which is why we're sort of in and out of here within 90 minutes, which is quite good. Now, obviously, if Cody was not broken, we would have done more rides today. He'd have come on some rides as well, but Kurt and I have had to take turns so that Cody can just sort of not be on his own for the whole period of time. But actually, Knightley's first visit here, a couple of familiar machines that we've seen before that ride really, really well, and the first time as well on Knightley's Waltzer, which Kurt enjoyed. Kurt enjoyed it. So thank you for joining us here from Knightley, something different on the channel, a new place for us in 2022 here in North Wales. Stay tuned to the channel, we've got others coming as well. We'll see you next time.